on a night, if I get a phone call to say somebody has gone missing or to that effect, what I do is I send a multimedia text out to the 18 drivers that are working in town, and every one of us go a different direction. We can cover more road than the guards can cover. That's what we do. If we find them, we'll have a talk with them and inform the guards if it's the guards are after giving us, or we'll get them to a hospital, a doctor. We can get them the free counselling in Seesaw. We have 13 saves since April of this year, which to us is absolutely phenomenal.